Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to view points in Shein account on an Android device. Well, knowing how to view points in your Shein account help you track rewards, plan your budget, stay motivated to engage with the platform, and effectively manage your account. It enhances your overall shopping experience and allows you to maximize the benefits of being a Shein customer. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open Shein application on your device. Okay, next you can enter to your profile page. Okay, after that, here you can tap points option. And then now you can view earned points in your Shein account. Okay, and then to get more points, you can check into this application every day, or you can do another task. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to view points in Shein account on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.